what Gucci is thinking? In this video, we will learn about the horse's body language. Horses are very expressive and honest, and they will tell you, if you watch them closely, what they are thinking. The more we are aware of our horse's mood and what they are thinking, the safer we will be around them, and the more we can adjust how we interact with our horse. When the horse is confident and interested, he will approach you and have his ears forward and have a calm, relaxed expression on his face. This is the best time to approach your horse and to give him a little pet on the neck. When the horse is confident and interested, he'll have his ears forward and he'll approach his nose towards you. You can let him sniff your hand and then give him a gentle pet on his neck. This is the best time to approach a horse.